Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So basically, first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on the reset option, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap. And here your device will tell you that it will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps. So for example, it will reset settings like the timeout. So let's tap on reset settings. If you've got any kind of pattern, PIN or password, I mean the kind of screen lock, then you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Here we've got the info that your device will reset the settings to their defaults and this operation cannot be undone. So to apply the new settings, your device will be also restarted. So if you are ready, just tap on reset. And as you can see, we've got the info that your device will be reset right now, and during this operation, all of the customization which you've applied will be reset also to their defaults. So you simply have to wait, your device will be restarted, and after that, after turning it on, all the settings will be reset. So basically that's all. This is how to reset settings in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.